And hello, boys and girls. And today we're pushing the front yard forager by this lady, this lady right here. And I can't see her name too well. It's Melanie Voraz Herrera. That person right there digging up the weeds. Now, a lot of people, I have to say, got to know what they're doing on vegetation. And I like Hubble's cat. You have to know what you put in your mouth. Or you get some weird side effects. Now, right now, I'm having a cup of aloe vera juice. Straight. Nothing in it but nothing in it but pure aloe vera juice. Delish. Uh, all right. That's one of my tricks staying young. Now, a lot of people say, you don't look like 58, going on to 59 in a few months. Yes, I do, see? Just little old Uncle Al. I look 58. I don't really look like 58, but you can see the scars and the after effects. And aloe vera juice helps with the nice dark hair, not with the thinning. But if you want to have dark hair, not like Hill's cat, all graying. Okay, yeah. Okay, I like Hill's cat. Please check out his channel. Today, we are going to talk about updates. Mostly it's Pam Great Outdoors Adventures. Howdy, Pam. Wave to Pam. Everybody check her out. Inspire John. Everybody knows about Inspire John. Wave and check him out. He's in PA. Weapons Collector and JR Survival. Yeah. Hey guys. Also, I need show a little bit more. Um, I need for my unboxing videos. I need 12 more, well, 12 plus 2. Uh, or is it 10 plus 2? Yeah, 10 plus 2. I need 12 more viewers, and I can mail out stuff to Myra PCK. I hope she's all right in Oklahoma. And I think New York Prepper and Matt A. Prepping and Survival. Survival and Prepping. We just sent a card to Matt Hilton's. It's Matt. Check. Yeah, Matt heading survival and prepping. Hope your knee gets better. And like I said, just updates. And like I say, our prayers with full spectrum survival, Brad and Kelly and their kids. We're right behind you. We're not in the Carolinas. Now, if you want to send somebody something interesting, you could send them this steel hunting shot to go with this sent by King Gold. You put a little wire across it too, and again you can shoot arrows. You can send that to Lily in the Wild. Send them one of these, but check with their parents. Make sure it's all right. Another favorite thing you could send to a kid in the wild is one of these. Okay, so you could dig fire pits or chase people at school, but mostly digging fire pits. Fire pits, digging up roots, scraping out stuff. Okay. But again, check with their parents. and that's for Lily of the Wild. Um, Hi, Chris McBee. Uh, again, Step 1 Survival with Sergeant BA and Sippy Cup. Just in time prepping. We have a live stream Wednesday morning. Hope Will feels better. And we'll check out him over there. I'm trying to keep this short. I'm trying to remember what the hell was I talking about. Oh, yeah. And I always tell people you can't help stupid people, but you always carry a bolo or a machete. And that's for Jordan Jakenberg in Sweden. Like I said, for a cup of coffee, coffee or tea, you can send them some money to help them escape from Sweden. And we got, I did say Inspired John. I did say Inspired John. Okay. Now, anyway, over here. Getting old. That was the updates. Um, People, you got to understand a lot of these storms, especially, I forget our new subscriber, he's around here, can't find the notes right now. During hurricanes and tornadoes and typhoon, you might get backflush on the toilet. And usually there's a small device that you put in the toilet, prevents black flushing. Now, a lot of you kids don't understand is once the draining system's full of water and you got the high pressure of the hurricane or typhoon, everything that flushed down will flush back up. So you can see your poo, urine, angry rat hissing at you, ninja turtle coming up going, eh. Okay, that's why you put a stopper. Closing the lid doesn't help because I've seen many times the lid blows off like boom. You have to put it in there or you have to remove the toilet and put a cap on it. A lot of you like, oh, I don't know about that, Uncle Alan. Well, which would you prefer? Rat flying out of the toilet at 80 miles an hour with sewage coming up? We're not talking about clean water, folks. We're talking green and brown water coming up, spraying your house. Think about it, okay? And if you're in a hurricane, tornado, or what's the other word? Typhoon, should use a bucket and camp toilet. Understand that? Camp toilet for number 2, and number 1 is the bucket. You pour in a bottle, mix it up with a little water, and you put it around your fruit trees. So anyway, folks, that's about it for my updates. I hope that helps out because I've been seeing a lot of people, the toilet don't flush. And these are all preppers and survivalists, and I'm looking at them like, what the bloody, I can't say it because I have kids watching my channel and young women, but you know what I mean. Okay? I'll catch you later, folks. This is Diebulfrog. Find the pen. Diebulfrog79, aka Old Uncle Al. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. And I'll catch you later. Bye.